Hey everyone, welcome to Travel Therapy Guide's 5-minute or less video tutorials. Today I am going to be talking to you about travel therapy negotiations and how to maximize your contract earnings. The first thing you want to do is make sure you follow some key tactics. You want to have open-ended statements or questions, meaning instead of asking, "Can I have a raise?" which is a yes or no answer, you want to ask them, "What more can you do for me?" or "How can you improve this contract?" Having something a little bit more open usually will give you better results. The next thing is you want to ask. You won't know if you don't ask, so might as well. And oftentimes the worst thing that's going to happen is no. And you would have had nothing anyways had you not asked, so just ask. The third is you want to prepare arguments and counter arguments. Be prepared for them to say no and have a counter argument as to why you still deserve it, or if they don't want to give you that, can they give you something in exchange? The next is you want to make companies compete for you. It's one of the best tactics is to have a comparison for the other company. For example, company X is going to pay me this, you are going to pay me this, I love your company, I've worked with your company, can you match X rate? So here are some things that you can negotiate for. You can negotiate increased pay rate, increased meal or lodging stipends, bonuses that can be sign-on, extension, renewal, loyalty bonuses, travel reimbursement, license reimbursement, vacation time, and healthcare. And there may be some other random perks, but these are like the big ones. When are the best times to negotiate? You definitely want to negotiate at the start of every contract. Also, when you're renewing a contract, or if you're extending a contract, those are excellent opportunities as well to negotiate for either bonuses or increased pay rate. What are some arguments for raises? So, when I talked about you want to be prepared, these are the arguments that you want to be prepared with. So you want to use the fact that your next assignment and your travel company are not having to pay to relocate you. They're not having to do orientation or mentor time. You are a respected and desired therapist, and so you deserve that rate, especially if the facility is asking you to renew or to extend. That means they want you back. Use that to your advantage. The money and time that both the assignment and the travel company save, because the recruiter is going to have to spend time and effort to find a person to replace you, and the facility is going to lose time and money as well because the recruiter is actually paid by the facility that you are working at. And then lastly is no loss productivity. When they don't have you, they're losing productivity. That means that they're losing money. So all 5 of these reasons are excellent arguments as to why you should get paid more for each contract, for each renewal, and for each extension. So when you go for your negotiation, write down these 5 things and anything else you can think of and have that on hand so you can use these for your negotiation arguments and counter arguments for if they say no. I'm sure that there's a lot more for negotiations I haven't gone over, but I think I'm getting past the 5-minute here, so we're going to end it at that. If you want to learn more, you can go to debtfreept.com or check out my complete guide on Amazon. Thank you so much.